Alright guys, so here we're doing an unboxing of a no-coal box or no-coal battery. So we attempted to put a solar system up yesterday. The battery we had just didn't have enough juice to it. So we're adding some amplifiers with this no-coal battery. It's a Walmart brand. It's an excellent battery. So by adding this on there, we will have a total of 19 amp hours. I'll go ahead and tell you, this is me from the future. I ended up having to buy another battery yet again. 19 amp hours really just isn't a whole lot. So I ended up going with another 100 amp hour battery, and now these two 7 and 12 amp hour batteries are kind of on the back burner. So I will be wiring these in parallel. I'm showing you now. The red will the red will go with red, and the black with black. That's in parallel. If you are in series, you'll increase your voltage. Alright guys, let's get to the next part of the video. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and stripped my wires off camera. I'm going to disconnect our charge controller. It should be fairly simple. Make sure your positives are lined up. So something my dad taught me is when you're wiring something, of course you have a neutral, a positive, and ground. With direct current, all you have is a neutral and neutral and a ground, neutral and a positive. Excuse me. So for your power, you want to say black gold. That's how you remember what's going to be power. You want to put your wiring on with the thread. I do have some crimps. I should use for this. We'll see how this turns out. Again, the way I'm wiring this is called wiring in parallel. So if you wanted to increase your voltage, you would wire what's called wiring in series. That is where you line up your batteries side by side, and you leave your negative on one side, and you wire your negative and positive together to both batteries, or to either other batteries, and then you leave your positive in that side. That's called wiring in parallel. Again, with the positive being black, your negative will be white. I chose to get a bigger battery. Hopefully this will give me enough amp hours. That's really how you judge your solar energy, is by amp hours. These batteries charge super quickly, but it also seems like they lose their charge super quickly, unfortunately. Alright, let's see how much voltage we're bringing. Make sure we get this right. Of course, you see here, my red is my positive and my black is my negative. That's usually what you use with DC currents. I'm going to bring you down to the charge controller so you guys can see that. There is our charge controller. So it looks like we're running 13.1 volts, which is perfect. Like we said, we didn't want to increase the voltage, just the wattage and amp hours. There's that, just so you can get a better look. That is our two batteries ran in parallel. All right, guys. Let's hope this works.